Hi everyone! In today's video I would like to share with you my last purchase at Gucci. Let's discover what's inside this bag. This is the packaging. Here we are. I haven't seen the content of this item yet, so I'm discovering this with you. Here we are. And of course it is a small bag, really nice. I think that Gucci is releasing very nice item. This is something that probably I would use more during summer, but I really like Gucci bag, as you know. So when my SA told me I have this one in the color you were waiting for, it was not the right month just to do this purchase, but okay, how can you say no? So let's see. Gorgeous. This is simply amazing. I like it so much. I'm so excited about this. This is the back, this is the bottom. So this is not crossbody, it has just this top handle. So let's discover inside. So the zip is really smooth. Let's remove the paper inside. One, two. Wow, so much paper in such a tiny bag. Wow, it's really amazing. Here we have a pocket inside and it's so light, really gorgeous. So I will do a review of this after I use it a little bit, but I think that I really like it already because it's so light. And as you know, I have back problems, so I always like to have light bag, and I usually use small bags, so really great. Let me know what do you think about the fact that this is I think the first Gucci canvas bag that I have. I usually have it as in leather, so let me know what do you think about the canvas, because this is the first time that I go for a canvas. This pink is really gorgeous. I hope you can see it. Here it's leather. Gorgeous. The strap is adjustable. And I think the content, the inside is in suede. It's not cotton, it's suede. Really chic. Really, really a nice bag. So let me know what do you think in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you, bye.